Happy Holi guys, and since I'm home today, I wanted to do a video about my all new LG C7 65-inch OLED TV. So I got it like day before yesterday, and unfortunately no unboxing videos about it because I got it during my working hours and I normally don't mess up while working. So before I start answering a lot of your questions, I'm going to show you what this beast can do or can handle for all of your content. So that was an amazing set of visuals, but let me tell you, this video is not going to do the justice for this immersive viewing experience. You absolutely need to go ahead, go to a store or go to a friend's house who really owns this TV OLED LG, and then only will be able to feel this immersive viewing experience. Absolutely a cracker, I can say. So if you have been following me on Instagram, I had put up few of the Instagram stories about the TV day before yesterday, and I started getting a lot of questions. And wait, if you are not following me on Instagram yet, here is my ID, go ahead and follow. So let's just start with the questions and answers round first. So the first question, why I got it? Because I needed it. That's the simplest answer. I already have a 50-inch Panasonic plasma TV rocking for last 5 years. Absolutely amazing. But I needed to have the latest tech at home, and that's the OLED 4K. And I needed it big. The one I have since 5 years is the 50-inch, and I needed it like 65-inch. So this is it. This is the 4K 65-incher. Does the job for me. And if you know, I shoot and deliver everything in 4K for YouTube and all of my clients. So I don't think there can be a better 4K TV for me which can handle or which can work as a test horse for me. Second question, where did I get it and how much does it cost in India? I got it from Bhubaneswar, one of the LG dealers, that is the Raj Electronics, and the MRP is around 4.2 lakhs, but I got it for around 3.35 lakhs. I also got a LG soundbar SJ5 along with it. So let me just tell you, if you're looking to buy this TV online, forget about it. Do not look at the online stores. They are showing about some crazy pricing. You need to go ahead and visit your local LG dealers. Ask them for a deal, and maybe you will land up as a good deal like I did. So 3.0 is a good price, I think. Third question, why not Samsung QLED and why LG OLED? Because I needed OLED. I did not need a LED backlit TV and spend this crazy amount of money on that, because I do not mean like Samsung QLEDs are not good. That's amazingly good. But they are still the LED backlit TV. So I needed the latest tech. So OLED is the latest tech, and so I just went ahead and got this LG OLED. Fourth question, is LG OLED better than Samsung QLED? Yes, of course, yes, because OLED is the latest tech. It's not like the LED backlit technology. It's emitting its own light. But yeah, Samsung QLEDs are good. They can get super bright, even brighter than OLEDs. But it was none of my concern because I do not watch my TV on the daylight or outdoors or like lights in my room. So brightness is not a concern while getting a TV. It's all about getting the latest tech or the best tech available in the market. And let me tell you, OLEDs are a king. The king when it comes to higher dynamic range. Absolutely unbeatable. Fifth question, what is the difference between OLED and QLED? So basically OLED is emitting its own light when the electric current is passing through it, but LED or the QLED is the lit by a backlit or edge lit. So basically OLED is emitting its own light and QLED is depending on someone else to emit the light. So that is the reason OLED is the king when it comes to deeper black levels and higher contrast ratio. Fifth and the best question, why not the Xiaomi 55-inch 4K LED TV and why the super expensive LG OLED? So let me tell you, I'm a sucker when it comes to perfection and the best thing available in the market. I need the best one, best tech available in the market always. I know Xiaomi 55-inch cost like 40,000 while this is like 3.35 lakhs. This is like 10 times the price of the Xiaomi. Really expensive, but it's the tech. This is OLED, that is a LED, still a LED. So I have already experienced the LED, but I guess it's time for an OLED. It's going to stay with me for next 10 years or more. I mean, I'm going to blindly trust the brands like Panasonic, Sony, LG, Samsung when it comes to TVs. They're absolutely the beast when it comes to TVs. Now let's talk about the TV. It's super thin. It's thinner than my iPhone 10. Yes, that's true. It's super thin. I mean, it has almost everything whatever you need. I don't think there is any space for innovation left. What a beautiful time to live in. Super pumped to be living in this age while all this is happening all around. So it plays like all kind of content and you don't need an extra Google Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick or Apple TV to get it hooked to this TV because this has got like everything. This is loaded with Web OS 3.5, so basically you get all those apps preloaded. You absolutely don't need to use any kind of third-party stuff connected to the TV to watch your content. You can just use those inbuilt apps and watch anything you want. 4K, 2K stuff, my god, it plays amazing. And it also comes with everything, whatever you need to get started. You can just wall mount, you can put it on the table like I placed it. So basically everything is right inside the box, whatever you need to get started. So speakers, all the super amazing features. It includes the built-in speakers which supports Dolby Atmos, Magic Remote Control, massive number of options to tweak as per your preferences. And the best thing about this OLED is it supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, YouTube VP9, SDR, HLG, Hybrid Lock, Gamma, Google YouTube 4K, everything right out of the box. You can just throw any kind of content, any kind of high resolution stuff, any kind of high bitrate stuff. It just plays like a beast. I'm so happy to finally get it and see it in my home. I just really needed a 4K 65-incher for it's been a year or more. I've been looking to get it, but I was just not getting time to get it. So that's pretty much all about it. If you've got any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time.